Saudi Aramco, question and answer, cutting, welding, and brazing. Question 1. What type of personal protective equipment, PPE, should be used during welding, cutting, and brazing? A. Safety glasses and regular gloves. B. Leather gloves, body protection, and safety boots. C. Only a welding helmet. D. A standard lab coat and safety goggles. Answer: B. Leather gloves, body protection, and safety boots. Question 2. Which of the following should be worn during cutting and brazing? Operations: A. A welding helmet. B. A helmet or welding goggles. C. Safety glasses only. D. A face shield only. Answer: B. A helmet or welding goggles. Question 3. Where should combustible materials be placed when welding, cutting, or brazing? A. Around the work area. B. Inside the work area. C. Removed or protected from sparks and heat. D. Directly below the work area. Answer: C. Removed or protected from sparks and heat. Question 4. What should you do with defective or damaged equipment? A. Continue using it until it fails. B. Repair or replace it immediately. C. Hide it from view. D. Use it only for non-critical tasks. Answer: B. Repair or replace it immediately. Question 5. What should be verified before beginning welding, cutting, or brazing on a surface, pipeline, or container? A. The color of the surface. B. The surface is clean, drained, and purged of flammable or toxic materials. C. The surface temperature. D. The material's thickness. Answer: B. The surface is clean, drained, and purged of flammable or toxic materials. Question 6. How should you handle compressed gas cylinders during cutting and welding operations? A. Keep them in any position. B. Keep them upright and protected from damage. C. Lay them flat on the ground. D. Store them in a confined space. Answer: B. Keep them upright and protected from damage. Question 7. What should you use to light a torch for gas welding or cutting? A. Matches. B. A cigarette lighter. C. Friction lighters, strikers. D. A standard lighter. Answer: C. Friction lighters, strikers. Question 8. What must be done if you need to leave welding equipment unattended? A. Leave the equipment running. B. Ensure all equipment is turned off and valves are closed. C. Ask someone to watch the equipment. D. Reduce the equipment's output. Answer: B. Ensure all equipment is turned off and valves are closed. Question 9. What should be used to check for leaks in gas welding equipment? A. A flame. B. Soapy water. C. A light spray. D. A visual inspection only. Answer: B. Soapy water. Question 10. What is required for electrical arc welding machines according to safety standards? A. Grounding of the frame. B. Use of any available outlet. C. No specific grounding requirements. D. Plugging into a regular power outlet. Answer: A. Grounding of the frame.